Nearly 20 million people develop cancer every single year. Often, high-energy radiation is used to kill cancer cells. You need to know, though, where to target the radiation in order to maximize the radiation dose delivered to the tumor and to minimize the radiation dose delivered to essential organs. You want to take a whole bunch of images through the patient using a scanner. These sort of images, however, are completely meaningless to computers assisting in treatment. So doctors need to identify where organs and tumors are, and they do this by drawing many outlines on hundreds of image slices. That is very time-consuming. With AI being virtually everywhere these days, you may ask, can AI, artificial intelligence, do that job for them? And can we trust AI with something as critical as patients' lives? Well, I don't think so. I don't think that AI can replace the expertise of an oncologist when it comes to something as irregular as tumors. With my research as an example, I will show you, however, that it can be a happy medium where AI and doctors work alongside, hand in hand. I will show you that AI can be the sidekick doctors deserve. Let's have a look at these two images. On the left, you see a patient's image slice with a red blob. That red blob is the outline of a tumor. On the right, you see a similar image of the same patient. Even if you're not an expert, you can probably tell me where that red blob should be on this image slice, where the tumor is. For this, you take into account similarities and differences in appearance and location. This sort of context is really hard to understand for computers. In my research, I try to teach computers to appreciate that context using artificial intelligence. I do this by focusing the computer's attention on the relationship between image slice and drawn outline. Without telling the computer, though, what sort of structure it is that is outlined. Because it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter to you if what you see here is a tumor, a kidney, or any other sort of organ. You can still tell me where the red blob should be on the right. And this is the sort of generalization an AI tool can achieve as well. The AI sidekick that I'm developing takes the doctor's expert input on slice 1 and applies it to all other images. It requires the doctor to interact with one slice instead of hundreds. This saves time that a doctor can spend with patients instead. After this talk, I don't want you to think of human and artificial intelligence as separate entities. Instead, think of all the possibilities there are when we leverage human expert knowledge and amplify it using artificial intelligence as a sidekick.